Investigators are claiming that they have solid evidence now gathered against businessman Raj Kundra, who is the husband of actor Shilpa Shetty. Now, Mumbai police, while investigating the matter in this alleged shocking pornography scandal, cops are now seeking 7 more days of custody. Shilpa Shetty, meanwhile, herself has been missing in action since the arrest and the controversy that has followed. However, she has decided to share a cryptic post on her social media site talking about overcoming challenges. Take a look at this.
Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra is in a world of trouble. He's been named as the key conspirator in the sensational porn scandal in Mumbai. Shilpa, however, has maintained a stoic silence on her husband's arrest till now. This is the post that Shilpa Shetty has put up, a cryptic post that leads to more questions than answers on exactly what Shilpa has to say about the charges against Kundra. The post, a quote from a book, reads, "Do not look back in anger or forward in fear, but around in awareness." Since the arrest of her husband, Shilpa went AWOL on social media. She skipped the shoot of reality show Super Dancer Season 4. Meanwhile, proof is piling up against Raj Kundra. India Today has learned that the business tycoon produced 100 porn movies in the last 1.5 years. His app Hotshot had 20 lakh subscribers who watched porn movies.
Crime branch sources are saying that Raj Kundra is not at all cooperating in police investigation. He does not answer many of the questions and also denies the charges. He say he never made porn movies. But the crime branch sources are clearly saying they have enough and strong evidences against Raj Kundra.
Meanwhile, many actresses have spoken against Kundra. Exposing the sleaze racket, actress Sagarika Suman claims she is now being harassed and threatened for speaking out.
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब हूँ बिकॉज मुझे नेट कॉलिंग से बहुत सारे कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, अलग अलग जगह से कॉल्स आ रहे हैं और मुझे जान से मारने की धमकी दी जा रही है। मुझे बहुत गलत बोला जा रहा है। मुझसे ये कहा जा रहा है कि राज कुंद्रा ने इतना बड़ा क्या गुनाह कर दिया, सिर्फ porn ही तो बना रहा था।
As the investigation progresses, Mumbai cops are unearthing more and more dirt on Shilpa Shetty's husband. Shilpa has been guarded in her response and seems to be in no hurry to come into his defense. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's go across now to my colleague Divyesh Singh. He's tracking all the latest. Divyesh, the case is just getting murkier. What are you picking on the latest? Because she's put a very cryptic post and clearly the controversy has hit her and perhaps likely further commitments as well. Where does the investigation stand for now for Raj Kundra? Divyesh.
Pooja, the Mumbai police, as per our sources, is analyzing all the electronic evidences that they have collected. They have seized from Raj Kundra's office. Remember, a server was seized in which a number of porn films which were suspected to have been uploaded on the Hotshot app were found. This server, with the help of IT experts, is being examined. Other than that, there are other electronic evidences which are being scanned. There are telephones, there are mobile phones which are being scanned of all the suspects, all the accused, to get more and more details on the modus operandi of Raj Kundra and his accomplices into this porn racket. Other than that, the financial angle is also being probed on how much money did actually Raj Kundra make out of running this pornographic racket, this creating this pornographic content and uploading it or sharing it on various other platforms and apps. That is also being analyzed with the help of financial experts and auditors. Once that is clear, it will be known what amount of money did Raj Kundra actually make, his accomplices actually make out of running this pornographic racket. Pooja.
Thank you, Divyesh Singh. Please keep tracking all the latest. Remember, this is a developing story. So what has happened since then is there are